In the year of 2016, there were 10,497 deaths due to impaired driving. 210 were between the ages of 0 and 14. The specific purpose of my speech is to persuade you to drink responsibly. If you are of the legal age to drink, you should find a safe place to stay, and if you cannot stay at that place, find someone sober to drive you home. Each of us should care about this because you are risking the lives of others as well as your own. I have knowledge through research. Today, I will talk to you about the problems and suggest some solutions to the problem. But first, let's talk about the problem. Problem number 1. When consuming alcohol and taking control of a vehicle, a person is facing 5 major issues. A person will have poor judgment and decision-making skills. The driver's vision is impaired, which can slow down reaction time and can decrease coordination. The likelihood of having an accident increases and could potentially lead to consequences such as jail time, fines and tickets, DUI, and loss of license. Problem number 2. The most important issue of alcohol-impaired driving is the threat of wrecks. Over 50% of accidents are caused by drunk driving. It is estimated that 4,300 deaths are annually caused by alcohol-impaired drivers under the age of 21. During the months of summertime, the fatality rate increases with regard to underage drinking. Now that we've talked about the problems, let's talk about the solutions. Solution number 1. There are several steps that may be taken to prevent the consequences of drinking and driving. Always plan ahead and make good decisions. If you are going out with your friends to drink, make sure you have a designated driver and to never get in the car of a drunk driver. Protect others by taking their keys if they attempt to drive after consuming alcohol. They may be mad at you for not allowing them to drive, but the alternative is much worse. Solution number 2. Local, state, and federal officials can prevent drinking and driving by detecting a drunk driver. For example, a drunken driver has impaired vision, which can lead to swerving on the road. If an impaired driver is caught, it will lead to legal consequences. This is designed to prevent repeated events. There are local, state, and federal programs available to build awareness and provide solutions to help people drink responsibly. The purpose of my speech was to persuade you to drink responsibly and never operate any type of machinery while under the influence of alcohol. I have addressed some problems that are caused by drinking and driving and suggested some possible solutions that anyone can do to prevent legal consequences, wrecks, and fatalities. The consumption of alcohol and driving a vehicle can lead to serious injuries for the individual driving that chooses to drink and innocent victims driving on the road. Each person should have the right to operate a vehicle on the road without fear of another driver being impaired by the consumption of alcohol.